Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox Bose Quiet Comfort 35 2, second gen I believe it. Actually it's already unboxed, but I'm gonna unbox it one more time for you, my friends. Okay? Take this off. It's nice sealing plastic, you see? Line, very nice line. Yeah, it was. Okay. So, this is how the box looks like. There's also a newer version. It's different. The earphones like this bigger. Okay, so this is the older version of the box. Okay, take it off. And I already opened it. It's already like a little bit messed up here and there. So this comes, okay, and it's a case and a plastic bag. So open the case. We have here what is it? It's a charging cord. Okay, so you connect them somewhere and charge over here. So you connect them over here. It's micro USB, and this you connect to your power adapter. Then we have okay, so this to plug into your phone or your computer or anywhere. This is a 3.5 jack over here, and this one looks small. This one looks 2.5. So this one probably goes in them somewhere. Let's see. Very nice on touch. Very nice, something like Alcantara material. Where does it go? Over here. Okay. Goes here, and this one goes into your device that supports this input. Okay. In order to use them, you have to have also manual here. You have to have some Bose account, and connection is a little bit tricky. Okay. And serial number is inside over here. Take this off. Yeah, here we have serial number is right there. So it should match what you have in the box. Also, I have these black ones I was using for maybe half a year or so. This will probably wear out eventually. Same model, this other color. This is silver, this is black. This to turn on, turn off. If you forget to turn it off, battery will be discharged. Here are some buttons, I never used them. I don't know. Okay, thank you very much for watching.